So in this video, I'll be showing you how to insert a physical SIM card on your iPhone 11. So all you'll need is your SIM card as well as a SIM ejector tool. If you don't have one, you can always just use a sharp pointed earring or even just a pin that you have lying around. So once you have those two things, you want to grab your iPhone and look for the SIM tray on the side of your phone. So on the iPhone 11, it's on the right side, and you can even see there's a small hole for the ejector tool to go into. So once you've found the SIM tray, simply put the ejector tool through the hole and then push in. So once you've pushed in, your SIM tray should now be ejected from your phone. So all you need to do is simply now just pull it out, and then you should see the space where you can add your SIM card. So all you need to do is simply grab your SIM card and ensure that you've placed it so that it aligns with the tray. So you can see the cornered side is here. So that means the cornered side of my SIM card should also go there. And so once you've properly inserted the SIM card onto the SIM tray, you want to return the SIM tray back into the phone. So simply just insert it and then push it in and ensure that the SIM tray has been added successfully. Once you've done that, you want to confirm that the SIM card has been added properly. And to do that, open the settings app. Then from here, select mobile service. And then you should see it's now been enabled. So I have my SIM card successfully added onto my phone. You may be prompted to turn on FaceTime, so you can choose to turn it on now or choose to do that later. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.